Welcome back to Chotu Creations. Today I'm going to unboxing this brand new Boat smartwatch. Watch Storm. This model is. Let's see what are the specifications are there inside. And if you see the personalized watch faces, there is an option and guided breathing and a daily activity tracker, call and text notification with a vibration alert, and menstruation cycle tracker, a sleep monitor, 5 ATM water resistant, so that no need to worry about the regarding waterproof and all. The multiple sports mode and sedentary alert and music control. And if you see the compatibility, the Android 4.4 version and above all are compatible for this smartwatch, and iOS 8.0 and above all. And if you see, the package contains the Boat smartwatch Storm and user manual and USB magnetic charging cable and the warranty cards. And coming to this regarding price, if you see, actual price is 5,990 rupees. It is MRP. But if you see in the Flipkart and some other e-com websites, we'll get around 2,700 nearby. Let's start unboxing. These are the things they provided. If you see the smartwatch, looking great actually. We have one power button, which is looking like normal mobile phone volume key like that. And if you see, if you observe that the smartness of this watch a bit good, no need to worry about that one. And apart from the watch, we have a 1 year warranty card and user manual, and we can see and how to install and how to set up and everything they've provided. So there is a Boat Pro Gear app is there in Android. We are supposed to install that one and to make sure that we need to connect with the smartwatch from that. And we have some advertisement regarding this Boat company. And one more thing, we have they provided that the sticker, the boat head, the sticker they provided. And the beautiful thing here we need to observe, here is the magnetic charger, and it's very nice actually. If you see and how beautifully it is going to be connected. See, let us see. And you can observe it. Even if you hang this through this charger, it is going to be hanging very well, no need to worry about that one. And because of the length of the charging wire is a little bit small. And let's come into the watch specifications inside, what are there. And if you see, if you scroll down, we have some messages notifications. There is an option called and one more option. And if you scroll down, if you scroll up, we have step tracker, and one more thing is I think this one is a step tracker, this one is steps, this one is I think some calories per mile, this one is the calories, I think that one is, I don't know. And they mentioned here that watch week total, complete week, and this is the up and down keys buttons, the specifications they mentioned. And if we scroll left right side, we have an option called do not disturb DND and heartbeat, and something called location and the lighting modes. And those are the 4 options that they provided here. And if you observe that, then if you scroll down, scroll left side, and we have sports mode, so that we can have many sports we can track through that, and the heart rate and this one is the heart rate here. Let's look here clearly. Yeah, it's a little bit clear right now, and we can observe here the blood pressure and the blood oxygen, and no, sorry, and stopwatch, timer, music control, time alarm, relaxation mode, and settings, sports record. So many options are there. See, look at there. Let us find how accurate is it's going to be measure heart rate, blood oxygen, blood pressure. And in this COVID time, we spend a lot of money for this oxygen level measurings, because this is the crucial period for checking the oxygen levels in our blood. So this watch is making our lives into a little bit easier. So with the smartwatch itself, we can find out the BP, heart rates, blood oxygen, and everything I can see. And let's find whether and how accurate this is going to be provide results. Let's operate this heart rate. First we can check that heart rate. See, it is going to measure the heart rate, heart beating. I think it takes 30 seconds, might be. See, it shows 92, 93 BPM, 94 around. The lower level is 82 and the maximum level is 103. They shows. Yeah, we cannot say this is a very accurate, but somewhat okay, good. Let's find the blood pressure right now. See, click on the blood pressure. It's going to be monitoring this blood pressure. It shows that keep still. It's going to be checking blood pressure. Yeah, 119 bar 74 mmHg. Yeah, a bit accurate, I think so. You can believe. We don't know whether it is correct or not. And next one is blood oxygen. We can find this blood oxygen. Let's see. It shows 95% of SpO2. This is also, we can say that, a little bit accurate. Yeah. Finally, I cannot say this is going to be lead the all smartphones and smart watches, but I can say that we have a lot many smartwatches in there in market, like Nice, Boat, and Samsung, Apple, and many more other brands are available. Even if you find if you see in the Flipkart and Amazon, we can find even 300 400 rupees smartwatches also available, but these many options might not available in that. So I cannot say you are supposed to buy this one, it's going to be helpful for you, and I cannot say, but it's better to have a smart watch in this latest technology and the latest generation. We can monitor everything here and within the smartwatch, even and through connecting with the smartphone. So just comment down the comment section below if you have any difficulties regarding this boat connecting and all, because while installation we are supposed to install an app called boat gear, I think gear pro, Boat Gear Pro is an app in Android. We are supposed to install that app, and in that we can register, and we can connect through that one. um, yeah, yeah, finally it's a good one. Nice, with a reasonable price actually. 2700 means a bit good and worth for money. um, Thanks for watching, and subscribe the channel for more updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this watch installations and everything about this one, and but I cannot say that whether to buy it's worthy or not. I cannot say regarding, for my personal purpose, this is sufficient for me, and all these primary things and primary needs, this can useful. So this is up to you whether it is good for you, I don't know. Okay, finally, thank you.